So I was scrolling through some different YouTube channels and saw via the grapevine that Lethal Cosmetics has a mystery bag. So I asked for my credit card. I don't think I have anything by Lethal Cosmetics. Now you do. They started us off with a sort of zippered pouch. At first I was a little bit concerned because the opener up here doesn't work too well. And I was like, oh, terrific. Not that I was expecting a fantastic bag or pouch, yet it didn't open quite right, and I thought, oh, wonderful, is everything inside just going to be a mess? First up is an eye gel. This is in the shade Polarity, and I like the shade. I'm not a big eyeliner person, so I think I'm going to keep this just to be able to play around with maybe using it as an eyeshadow versus an eyeliner, because I think it's supposed to be used as an eyeliner. I think I might keep it just to play around, use the opportunity of seeing what their products are like, because as near as I can tell, these are my first from Lethal Cosmetics, and I do like that blue shade. Oh, it is nice. Next, there was a Flush Lip Cream. And although not in my usual bright colored shades, it's an opportunity to try the product, see if I like their lippies, and could always purchase again a shade that I prefer at a later date. Keep an eye on the shorts from this channel. That's where the first impression of this lipstick will go. It is kind of cute. Like I said, though, it's darker than what I would prefer, yet the opportunity to try something different. It came with an empty palette and 4 individual eyeshadows to go in said empty palette. That was nice to get a place to put the individual eyeshadows. Yes, I agree. It was nice to get someplace to put these little puppies. And let's get them in there. This does have a mirror. I mean, it's a good, solid quality palette. There's room for more. I wonder if your other individual shadows would fit in there. That is a good question. This is what they sent to us, and I plunked them in there. You can take them in and out, I guess, as needed, because there's holes in the back of this thing. I get to do some quick swatches. Okay, here we go. A couple quick swatches. Nice swatching skills, Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatching and I like shopping. How about you? What did you see here that you liked or that you've tried? Leave us a comment down below, because I'm an inquiring camel. I want to know all the details. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty for the expense on this one, the purchase was $35.20. The shipping was $11. But hey, it was coming from Germany. And I must say, it got here PDQ. So all in, we were $46.19. And the value was stated to be $64. When I went back on their website, just out of curiosity, I added things up. I came up with $69. The empty palettes, $13. The individual shadows, $7 each. The eyeliner, $15. And the lippy, $13. I'd say for $35 and change, not counting the shipping because it is what it is, for $35 and change, I am pleased with the items that I received. Opportunity to try something different. Yes, and a couple of those eyeshadows. Oh my goodness. And there's plenty of room in that palette. Yes, there is. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that crazy fun stuff. We have lots of adventures over here. You don't want to miss out on a fun adventure. Watch something that's popping up on the screen if you haven't seen it already. Hope to see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.